Assalamualaikum and very good evening to Sir Hafizuddin. My name is Muhammad Nabi bin Abdul Razak, and today I'm going to deliver my informative speech 1 or the IS1. Alright, the topic I'm going to choose today is a bit stretched out from the others, as this one is a bit close to me. Not a bit too close, but yeah, still close to me. As why choosing this topic is because it's influenced by my father. He was ex-Navy, and when he on active duty before, when I'm little, he have brought me to several exhibitions that have jet fighters, like like all the Navy equipment. And one day he brought me to Lima. I can't remember when, but maybe 10 years ago. It's when I found one of the most unique and interesting fighter in my life. I see it in front of my eyes. Okay, what this fighter is? Okay, this fighter is called SU-47. Okay, and in this speech today, I'm going to talk about this fighter. Not only its unique shape and its unique features, but I also gonna talk about its disadvantage. And one thing that I want to say that this fighter is only an experimentation process, because it have been cancelled by the the military Ministry of Defense of the Russian. Okay, and I'm also gonna talk about improvement that can be done by using the technology that we have today. All right. Okay, firstly, I will briefly explain about the history and the background of this fighter. Right, as we know, a great figures must have their own background and lore, right? And here is the detail that I have, although it's just short and brief, but here's just the detail I got. Alright, firstly is of course its name. Okay, its full name is SU-47 Berkut, where the Berkut is a name, is a phrase in the Russian, which means golden eagle, which I guess because the wing, the shape of the wing, I guess it got the name of that. Okay, it's a 5th generation fighter, quite an advanced one, and it's become the pioneer of its unique shape fighter on that time. Okay, it's introduced in 1990, and it's being made its maiden flight on 1997. Its manufacturer called Sukhoi, a Russian aircraft manufacturer, is responsible to make not only responsible for SU-47 development, but also have another branch line of another kind of fighter. And fun fact, Malaysia, especially the Malaysia defense, have taken several of these manufacturers' fighter, and one of them is called SU-30M, and it's the most advanced and the most reliable aircraft that even the outside force and outside nation have feared for us because of that fighter, right? Well, although it's have potential, the SU-47 have potential to become a marvelous fighter, unfortunately its destiny turned to dark corner, as it has been cut short, only being made onto the experimental product, where it's ended on 19 December 2002. Okay, next I'm going to talk about of course I will talk about the shape and a little bit specification of it. Okay, I here have the diagram of it, although just simple. Alright, as you can see, the the shape of it, of the wing, this is the one of the most distinct features here, because like the normal fighter on this time, no one have ever think to do this style or this kind of wing. Okay, and giving this fighter a unique identity and unique looks, right? And then you must be wondering, if it have its good in there. Yes, it have good, like it have good on it's gonna increase the maneuverability, and also it's give better in one-on-one better on the fighter. And but unfortunately, this also have its own down bad, its own bad things about it, which is first of all is the although the maneuverability is increased, but the lack of the technology to support it make this one hard to achieve. And additionally, this kind of wing giving extra stress on the integrity of the plane itself, which is going to damage the plane, right? Okay, let's move on to the, I will say, the final parts of the body of this speech, which is I'm just going to briefly talk on the improvement that can be made. Okay, the improvement that I could think of is the using of the better materials such as carbon fiber or reinforced synthetic material to improve the integrity problem, and maybe using AI to assist the fighter and also the pilot to fly more smoothly, and maybe rebuild it to be better for the flying on the testing flying also. Okay, for coming to the conclusion, I could say here is that SC-47 Berkut is a prodigy of its time, a wonder of engineering that future generations can follow. But also, well, although it's failed and to enter the production, I have faith for the future that one day, maybe we not go with the same name, but I hope there we have other people that will use this as reference for future fighter. I guess it has been on the end of my speech. Thank you for listening to me, and yes, have a great day.